Cyclone Winston last night entered into the Fiji waters, and early this morning it affected the Northern Lao group. The closest it came to the Vanuatu group, and you can see that the radar pictures, the eye is down there and it's moving to the westwards, and this morning it was over the Vanuatu group, where at 7 a.m. Vanuatu reported the maximum sustained winds of 99 knots. So the very destructive winds that has been experienced by the population, especially in the Northern Lao group, and by midday today the tropical cyclone Winston was very close to Taveuni, and it has been moving westwards. As it continues to move westwards, it has shown signs of further intensifying. It will not make any difference in terms of what category it will be. It has reached its maximum category, but in terms of winds it is further intensifying. On its projected path, it is expected to move westwards and be close to Esawa Irara tomorrow morning, as well as close to Nendi tomorrow morning. The distances that we may look at, how far that would be at tomorrow morning, and we are looking at about 65 kilometers southeast of Esawa Irara, or about 80 kilometers northeast of Nendi at 1 a.m. tomorrow. When we look at beyond that, we expect tropical cyclone Winston to lie about 140 kilometers northwest of Esawa Irara, or about 100 kilometers northwest of Nendi at 1 p.m. tomorrow. So this is 12-hour intervals. This is where we expect the tropical cyclone to lie.